upgrading from a phone or a very beginner camera can be intimidating. So many options, settings, deep menus, etc. Fujifilm always has and continues to help you cross that bridge from a smartphone shooter to a real-life camera photographer. This is the Fujifilm X-T30 not the 33, but the 33. This is the perfect camera for those photographers looking to capture their stories in a professional way, but with ease of use, vintage style, smart technology, all in a tiny compact body. It has a quick auto mode switch, so you can capture a moment when there isn't enough time to figure out the right settings. But when you have time to play, you can use it in full manual mode, experiment with the film simulation dial with 20 simulations and 2 extra spots on the dial for custom-made looks. The Fujifilm X-T30 is a 26.1 megapixel camera with an upgraded processor. It has AI subject detect, so you never miss a shot and your subject always stays in focus. A pop-up flash for when you need that extra pop of light or when you're at those nighttime parties looking for those fun directional flash photos. And for those who want to capture the moment with video, you can shoot up to 6.2K resolution. And thanks to advanced digital stabilization, you can create professional-looking footage easily. The X-T30 pairs really well with this brand new kit lens that Fujifilm is also announcing, the XC13-33 f3.5 to 6.3. Along with the camera, this wide-angle lens is travel-ready with a versatile zoom range. You can shoot everything from street to portraits. With a close focus distance of a little over 7 inches across the zoom range, you can get close enough for those details on things like flowers and more. The lens itself has 4 stops of optical stabilization to help you with those handheld photos and videos in those low light situations. Just because it's a bundled lens doesn't mean you should count it out on quality. I've been able to capture everyday moments with this pair, and to me, it's an obvious step up in quality from a smartphone. And it doesn't interrupt you with text when you're trying to focus on your subject. Fun fact, the first X-T30 was my introduction to the Fujifilm world, and I was blown away by the quality and the colors that Fujifilm produces. And now with its 3rd iteration, you can get this camera in 3 different colors to match your vibe, like silver, black, and charcoal silver. The Fujifilm X-T30 is the perfect camera for that person getting into photography or that pro looking for a tiny, compact, high-quality camera. This is the perfect fit. So I want to know, are you going to be getting the Fujifilm X-T30? And the holidays are coming up, so tag that somebody for a little reminder. I'm Maria, and thanks for watching.